it is still possible to make time for what you want out of life. And I'm gonna show you 3 ways how. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Malaysia and I'm here to teach you how to build, believe, and achieve the life that you want. And today I'm going to be talking about how to balance your job with your dreams. You know, when it comes to being an adult, not even, sometimes even before you hit 18, you have work responsibilities, and it's hard to balance that with your dreams. And then there's also school that comes into the equation if you are also going to school. And when you have school and you have work, or let's say you have 2 jobs even, which I know is a struggle. I know more than you know I know. Then it can seem like it's almost freaking impossible to freaking put time into your dreams. And let's not even get into if you have a kid or 2. At that point, you're just like, well, this is life. You know, my dreams are dreams, and maybe I'll see them in my dreams, but they ain't gonna happen now. No. I'm here to tell you that even if you feel like you have all this weight on your shoulders, even if you're going to school, even if you're working 2 jobs, even if you have kids, it is still possible to make time for what you want out of life. And I'm gonna show you 3 ways how. To have time for your dreams, you need to make time for your dreams. You need to create time for your dreams. It's not just gonna come out of your ass. Like, you're not just gonna get like an extra 5 hours out of your ass. If you're busy, obviously, it's not gonna happen. Maybe if you have the day off or something. Other than that, you're gonna have to make a conscious effort to fit this time in, even if you have to squeeze this time in. Something as simple as just 1 hour a day makes a major difference. Then pushing your dreams aside and saying that you'll do them when you have time, whenever that may be. Which leads me into my second tip, which is to consider being an early bird, because that's what I do to fit in time for my dreams. I would advise to consider going to sleep a little bit later, but honestly, waking up earlier is different because you have more energy in the morning. You're not tired or drained out from all of your day responsibilities. By waking up early in the morning, before your kids wake up, before your family wakes up, while everybody is sleeping, and taking advantage of that time to work on your goals and your dreams, you're not exhausted, you're not tired. I mean, you're tired in the beginning, but if you can just master waking up early in the day, it makes a huge difference. And I will be doing a video later on this week on how to be an early bird. So definitely subscribe and hit that bell button if you don't want to miss out on that. I would advise, if you're not an early bird, if you're a natural night owl, to start off slow, you know, baby steps. Don't start off with the most extreme of the extremities and try to wake up at freaking 4:00 a.m. when you're used to waking up at 11 p.m. I would say just wake up 2 hours earlier before you actually need to wake up. A lot of people advise, like, if you want to be successful, you have to wake up early in the morning, like at 5, but like, you know, you gotta baby steps. Like, you can't just start running if you haven't even started walking yet. So if you have work at, let's say 9, and you usually wake up at 8 just to get ready and rush to work, I would advise to wake up at 6 a.m. Now you have 2 hours before you have to get dressed and dedicate like half your day to a job that you don't even enjoy doing. And honestly, not only does this make more time for you, but it makes you feel better. Like, it makes your day feel way more productive. It puts you in a better mood knowing that you're working on something that you care about. You're working on something that means something to you. Honestly, it's one of my biggest pet peeves to just wake up and head to work. I hate waking up and getting dressed and going to work. Like, I just feel like my day is robbed, because by the time I get home, I'm tired and I just don't have the energy to do anything else. So if I can get all the things that I want done, like exercising, working on my business, working on my YouTube channel, before I clock in at work, I feel like I'm taking control of my life. I'm making time for what matters to me. And it's just, I don't know, it feels like my day is robbed when I don't do that. And honestly, I feel like you'll feel the same too. You'll start seeing and feeling the same way once you start realizing how big of a difference it makes to make time for your dreams before you have to clock in. Another way that you can balance your job with your dreams and make time for your dreams is evaluating what you're spending your free time doing. And ask yourself, can that thing be replaced with working on your dreams and working on your goals? If yes, then start prioritizing that. I'm not saying that you have to always turn down hanging out with your friends and going out for drinks and going out to eat, going to party, but you're gonna have to start sometimes replacing that time with your goals if they are important to you. Because if you can't find time in a day to do them, you're gonna have to sacrifice the fun for work, and that will pay off in the end. Not everyone sacrifices spending time with their friends on a weekend, watching Hulu and Netflix and YouTube to work on their stuff. And that's what makes the difference between the people who make it and the people who don't. The people who make it are people who prioritize their dreams, even if they have to sacrifice that, because at the end of the day, they know it will pay off. And if your friends get mad because you're prioritizing your dreams and you want to spend time working on your goals, just explain to them that you have boundaries now and this thing is important, and if they don't support you and how important it is to you, then that's just their issue. I would say just cut them out of your life. They're horrible friends, but honestly, sometimes, especially if your dream is big, it's just hard for them to get it. Some might think it's a waste of time, and that's a whole nother video in itself, but you know, that's their issue and that's not your problem. You know, your priority does not have to be their priority, and they don't have to get it. They probably won't till the results start coming in, which sucks, but that's just the reality of things sometimes. And you cannot let the fact that your friends don't get it get in the way of what you feel like is necessary to get it. The sooner you start taking action, the sooner it will be your reality and not just a dream. So that was my take on how to balance your job with your dreams. I hope you guys all have a great day. Make sure to build, believe, and achieve the life that you want, and I'll see you guys later.